This video got over 378 million views, and 99% of the people watching it have no idea it's made completely by AI. These miniature videos are blowing up on YouTube right now, and channels are making a lot of money from them. In this video, I'll show you the simple, step-by-step AI method to make these videos in just a few clicks. And yes, this niche is fully monetizable. Let me show you the proof. So, let's start. Before opening the AI tools, let's look at some real proof. This channel on my screen has almost 241,000 subscribers just by posting miniature construction videos. People love watching these tiny houses being built. Another channel in this niche has over 3.7 million subscribers. Social Blade shows the first channel makes between $8,100 and $130,000 every month. That is an amazing monthly income for a faceless channel. This proves that this niche has huge viral potential. Most people have no idea how these videos are made and think you need expensive 3D animation software. Today, I am going to give you the exact copy and paste AI workflow so you can start your own automated channel. Make sure to drop a like right now. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial. For the first step, we are going to use ChatGPT. If you just ask for a basic video idea, it will give you a boring script. I spent a lot of time testing different prompts to find the perfect formula. This specific prompt forces ChatGPT to think like a professional designer, generating highly detailed visual descriptions that AI video generators can easily understand. Just comment the word prompt below and I will send it to you directly. Once you get it, copy it, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will create 10 completely unique video ideas that you can use immediately. Along with the ideas, it automatically generates the exact image and video prompt for 4 different scenes. For this tutorial, I am going to select idea number 1. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 4 scenes. Each one have image and video prompt. Now, let's copy the image prompt for scene number 1. Go to Google Flow and click New Project. Look at the settings panel on the side. Click here and select the image option. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 because this is the perfect size for Shorts and TikTok. Set the scale to 1x and select the Nano Banana 2 model. This model is incredible for generating ultra-realistic textures. Now, paste the image prompt we copied and hit the Generate button. Let's wait a few seconds for the AI to render, and wow, look at the result. The starting image looks completely real. Now, we need to turn this image into a full video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene number 1. Head back to Google Flow, hover over the image, click the option button, and press Animate. This tells Flow to use it as the starting frame to keep the style consistent. Change the settings to video. Keep the ratio at 9:16, scale at 1x, and select the Omni Flash model and set the duration to 8 seconds. Paste the video prompt and click Generate. Once the render is done, open the video and let's play it. It looks amazing. But here is the secret pro trick to maintain perfect consistency between your scenes. Let the video play until the very last second. Right before it ends, click on the Save Frame button. This will save the final frame as a new image in your library. We are going to use this final image as the starting point for scene number 2. This way, the transition between scene 1 and scene 2 will be completely seamless. To do scene number 2, click on the saved frame, press Animate, copy the scene 2 video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate with the same Omni Flash settings. Once it finishes, save the final frame again. Repeat this exact loop for scene 3 and scene 4. Animate the saved frame, paste the next prompt, and generate. I have finished all the 4 scenes. Now, download your video clips and open CapCut. Import the clips, put them in the correct order, add some smooth cuts, simple transitions, and make sure the pacing is engaging. Now, the complete video is fully edited and ready to view. Honestly, I wasn't expecting the final quality to look this professional. Let's see if it actually lives up to the viral hype. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Just look at that. The camera movement is incredibly smooth, the animations are flawless, and the miniature details look 100% real. We created a high-quality video using nothing but free AI tools in just a few minutes. This is exactly why these types of videos are dominating the YouTube Shorts feed right now. The most amazing part about this workflow is that you can repeat it